Denture creation is a vital method in dentistry. It involves creating custom-made prosthetics in order to provide the best ease for the patient. Dental implants are removable substitutes of missing teeth, as well as the adjacent tissues. They serve a crucial role in the restoration of oral function as well as appearance for those who've lost their teeth as a result of diverse reasons, such as tooth damage, decay, or even aging. Making dentures that are comfortable to wear will require a knowledgeable and experienced dental tech who can design prosthetics that will fit comfortably in the mouth of the patient. This procedure involves a series of phases, starting with an initial meeting with the patient through the fitting and finalization of dentures. The very first step in dental fabrication begins with a meeting to the patient. At this point, the dental professional will evaluate the oral health of the patient and will discuss the patient's specific requirements as well as expectations. It is vital to talk freely with the patient in order to make sure that the prosthetics that are chosen will meet their expectations and give them maximal ease of use. Following a consultation with the patient, the dental professional will collect impressions of your mouth to design a mold for the dentures. This process is vital as it lets the dental technician design custom prosthetics that will be comfy to wear and perform properly in the mouth of a patient. When the impressions are made, after which the dental professional is able to use them for the creation of the dentures. This involves selecting most suitable materials and creating the prosthetics so that they fit perfectly in the mouth of the patient. Making the dentures more comfortable can also mean changing the size, shape, and the color of prosthetics in order to complement the teeth of the patient and to enhance the appearance of their smile. When the process of making dentures, the dental technician is in close contact with the patient in order to make sure that the prosthetics meet their requirements. It is possible that the patient will need to attend to numerous fittings to adjust to the prosthetics in order to provide maximum comfort. It is important for patients to give information during these appointments so that they can aid the tech in tailoring the dentures according to their preferences. When the dentures have been made and fitted, the next stage is to set up a fitting appointment. At this time, the dentist will check that the prosthetics sit comfortably inside the mouth of the patient and that they are comfortable to wear. Additionally, the patient will receive directions about how to maintain the prosthetics and keep an excellent dental hygiene. Denture manufacturing is a complicated process of making the prosthetics as comfortable as possible. Through working with a professional dentist, patients will be able to assure that their dentures sit perfectly in their mouths and perform effectively. The custom dentures will not only improve dental function, they can also boost the appearance of the patient's smile. This can increase confidence and self-confidence. If you're considering dentures, ensure that you speak with a reliable dental professional who is able to design prosthetics that will meet your expectations and give you the optimal comfort. Enix will provide you with quotes to get the procedure you're looking for. Compare costs and the services offered for the best choice to suit your needs. Consider planning your travel plan, your trip and lodgings prior to departure so that you have a pleasant journey. A lot of clinics located in Turkey offer lodging packages to patients from abroad. Continue to follow post-treatment instructions after your dental appointment. Be sure to follow the post-treatment directions that your dentist will provide to ensure your recovery is successful. As a result, the Turkish dental market is growing rapidly thanks to quality services, affordable procedures with highly skilled dentists. For those who require a regular examination or a more intricate process, Turkey has a lot to offer those seeking affordable dental care. Discover the benefits of dental tourism in Turkey and get top quality care at just a tiny fraction of the cost.